shift, it shouldn't have ever ended faster.
The reason I chose Bellarmine is because I think they have a really great nursing program, and I also love the fact that you really get to know your professors.
The class sizes are small, so I feel like you get to really know your peers, and it's not just, oh, I'm showing up to class and like sitting next to this person and learning this material and I'm going home and I'm not making any connections. Because I've made a lot of lifelong friends here because of that.
Then you would take that out, and then once you take that out,
I mean, I'll see my professors around campus and they know me by name and they're always available to talk.
And they've really helped make this place home for me, just because of that friendly face that you see and getting to know them and them getting to know you as a person and not just somebody in their class that they have once for a semester.
Nursing is a great career, so we would love students to choose us. We feel like we have a very strong program. We feel like we prepare students very well for the profession. Whatever, however you're kind of looking at this career, realize that nursing is so many areas of opportunity to work. It really, sometimes I hear people describe it as 50 degrees in one, because you might go into pediatrics, you might want to do home health, you might want to do ICU, you might want to go back to school and be a nurse practitioner or a CRNA. There's so many opportunities. It's a great profession.
And I can truly say this from the bottom of my heart. Bellarmine has truly been more than I could have expected for an institution and a university, because of the opportunities that I've had to succeed and excel.
I have absolutely had no regrets choosing Bellarmine. I've gotten so many opportunities to make connections that they've helped me with, to get involved on campus. There's so many different clubs. I've gotten involved in a lot of community service. They've matched me with alumni to help me build connections for my future.
They really push you to be the best person you can be in your field and your major, and even outside of that.
It's nice to see students, from the time they start and very novice and really excited to learn, but then towards the end there's a new excitement because they're getting ready to embark on this career.